Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. If you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you my journey from $0 to $1000 per day. So stay tuned with my internet journey and click the subscribe button below and the bell icon below so that you will get all the latest updates and information. Meanwhile, if you want to learn how to make a full-time income from home, please see my #1 recommended system in the description box below, and this is the system that has helped thousands of people to live the lifestyle they want. Today I am discussing a very important topic, that is what is Clickbank and how to make money from it. So Clickbank is basically an affiliate marketplace that was launched in 1998, and it is the largest digital marketplace in the world. Digital means you can find products in the forms of e-books, audios, videos, and anything that is included in the definition of the digital. You can see this is the place. This is the Clickbank website address is www.clickbank.com, and if you came here, it is free to join and you can easily join by clicking on the creating an account. I have already created an account, so I do not want to waste my time here by creating again. So you can easily create by providing the required information here. So let's move to the inside, how you can make money from it. If you move to the affiliate marketplace, you could see that there are different categories on the left hand side of your laptop or PC. These are all, you can call it niches in the business term, and arts, entertainment, betting system, business, computers, all major niches are covered here. However, I recommend you 3 niches which gives you the most potential, and these are the evergreen niches. These include e-business and marketing, health and fitness, and parenting and families. Actually, in parenting and families, there is a niche called relationship, in which you can find products related to dating and how to get your ex back, like that products. I generally work on e-business and marketing as it is my favorite niche, and I know many things in detail in this niche. It is actually a make money niche, you can call it easily. So let's move into this section. If you click on it, then you can see that there are different products listed there, and there are different pages as well. There is a filter which is very important for you to find the best ones. Popularity, average dollar per sale, initial dollar per sale, average percentage per sale, average rebill, total average percentage rebill, gravity. Generally people filter by popularity or gravity. However, I like most by gravity. Gravity is actually, you can call it, it is the total number of affiliates who have sold that product, that particular product, in the last 3 months. So this product App Coiner has a gravity of 103.95. so it means there are 103 affiliates who have made sales in the last 3 months. However, it doesn't tell you that if one affiliate has made 1000 units and one affiliate has made a 1 unit. If one affiliate has made a 1 unit sale, then that person has already been included in this number. I hope you got my point. So anything above 40 gravity, every person suggests you differently, but as per my experience, I suggest you to work with products who have a gravity of above 40, because it gives you an idea that many affiliates are making money from it and you can also be part of those affiliates. And with respect to their average dollar per sale commission, it is actually a commission that that an average affiliate are earning from that product, $23.35. Initial dollar per sale, this product gives you the same amount of commission. Average percentage per sale, average rebill total. Some products actually have a recurring fee, so if some customers buy that products from you that has a recurring sales, so you will get recurring commission as long as that person will opt for the recurring fee. I hope you get my point. So I generally go for product that has an average value of about 30 or 40. Even you can see there's some products which has an average value of $100. Even more than that I have seen. That's you can see that $457. It has also gravity of 50, nearly 50. So this is highly recommended product. You can say this one, this one, this one, this one. However, before going to promote any product, you should first Google it. Like if you are promoting the CB passive income, then you should check this keyword on the Google and write a word review after the product name. So it gives you the idea that what reviewers are saying about that particular product. If you would find majority of the opinions are positive. You can see this one is positive, and while others you need to open those reviews and their category is bad, their category is negative. So you should see and do your due diligence that if majority of the reviewers are writing a positive review, so you can sell that products very easily. However, if you choose a product that there is a lot of negativity, then it would be difficult for you to make a sale or make a huge commission from that. I hope you got my point. And with respect to health and fitness, you could see that there are also good products listed in this category as well. Look at the red tea detox. It has a gravity of nearly 230. A large number of affiliates are making money from this. That's it, 202 153. Also, you can see you could also get on a decent commission above $30. Also, always a good commission for me, and you could also earn some good money from it. Organifi, $80, also has a good gravity of 68. So you can find tons of product here, and people are selling those products to the customers. Actually, in Clickbank there are three parties. One is vendors, second one is affiliate, third one is customers. Vendors who are placing their products, affiliates like people like us who are promoting the vendors product to the customers, and customers who are buying those products. So customers are paying the money, and vendors are getting their commission for promoting the vendors products. There are different ways you can promote the Clickbank products. You can create a website, you can promote those products to your email list, even you can promote on YouTube without creating a website. You can promote on social media, you can promote on forums and questioning answering sites. There is very popular platform now known as Quora. There are tons of people who are finding useful information on Quora, and if you recommend products to people, they will definitely buy it. But Method I like the most is creating a website and then um, write regular content, valuable content that will give you the value to your customers. And when people find the value in your content, and if you have referred them a product, they will definitely move there and buy products from you. You will get definitely a commission. Clickbank provides you a special link which is unique to you, and no one else in the world would claim that link. You can get that link about related product by clicking on the promote button. Here if you log in, you will get your account nickname, and you can also track that link by providing some tracking ID code. And when you click it generate hop links, it will give you a unique link. As I have not signed in, so you are not seeing that the link here. I hope you get the point, and that's all for today. I hope you will have liked my video, and if there is anything in your mind, please ask me in the comment section below.